Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review on this DEWALT 20 compartment pro organizer. And I'll tell you, there's a few things that I really like about this. Number one, the fact that it is just extremely solid. It's not cheap plastic that's going to bend. You can set your tools on this. You can set different things on this and you're going to be just fine. As far as opening it here, I have two levers right here on the side. I have two right here in the front. I can open this up and I can keep all of the bits, screws, washers, anything that I need inside of all of these compartments. And when I lock it down, we are ready to go. I like the fact that it's got a good solid carrying handle. And if for some reason this gets caught on something and flips up, it's not going to spill everything. You still have the side latches here as well. And then on the bottom, once again, just really good construction. But that's not my favorite part. This is probably my favorite part, is you can get this attachment right here. And what I can do is simply put this here. And now I can clip this one onto it, one handle, and now I'm carrying even more. So I thought that was really cool, the fact that you can add that on. It doesn't come with the 20 compartment organizer, but the fact that it's expandable, because it seems like we always need more tools, more drills, more bits, or we're losing them. So the fact that it's expandable I thought was really cool.